Have you ever wondered what difference there may be between green chilies versus jalapenos? Different people have diverse opinions on whether there exists a difference between both. Green chilies and jalapenos are different species of the various types of pepper plants known. However, before we delve into discussing the differences between them, let's explain their attributes and health benefits. What is a green chili pepper plant? Chilies are species of pepper used for cooking that comes in various shapes, sizes, and colors. When the chilies are young, they are usually green in color, and as they mature further, they change from green to red or reddish brown. The strength of their flavor becomes stronger as the plant matures in age, but they can be harvested at any time from when they are young and green to when they become red or reddish brown. The smaller chile, the hotter the flavor, so for those interested in having a very hot flavor, it is best to target small-sized chilies. The chilies may be added to a wide array of appetizers, soups, stews, and many dishes. About the jalapeno. Jalapeno is a type of chili pepper, which is medium-sized when compared with other chili peppers. The jalapeno originated in Mexico, but is now found in almost all regions of the world. Just like the other chilies, the jalapeno is usually green at a young age and then becomes red or reddish brown. The jalapeno is a very easy species of pepper to grow, but they are usually very slow in growth for the first few weeks. It is widely considered to be the most sought-after chilies pepper in America and all other places because of its taste and peculiar features. Difference between green chilies and jalapenos. Taste. Chilies are generally mild in taste and can be used in a wide spectrum of recipes. On the other hand, jalapenos have a more aggressive taste, containing more heat. Features. Another distinction that can be noticed when chilies and jalapenos are compared side by side happens to be their distinctive features. Jalapeno is usually medium in shape and size, and the pod-type cultivator of the species. Color. The jalapenos are usually harvested when they turn green and are in most cases not allowed to ripen or turn red. On the other hand, chilies are usually allowed to remain on the vine until they ripen completely and turn red. Hotness. The heat which the jalapenos give to food when used appears to be stronger than chilies. They can give about 2,500 to 5,000 Scoville units of heat. How to grow green chilies. Grow green chilies with the right weather and time. Seeds can be sown indoors using seed trays. You can also sow the seeds in containers or directly on land. The germination process should begin within 7 to 10 days of seed sowing. If your seeds were sown indoors, select the healthiest plant and transplant the seedlings. Nurture your green chilies as they grow. They should be ready for harvest in 80 to 90 days. Major health benefits of chilies. Makes for a healthy diet. They usually have 0 calories and also help speed up metabolism for as much as 50% for about 3 hours after eating. Great improvement of skin. Since chilies are rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, they tend to provide good care for the skin. Body temperature reduction. The presence of capsaicin in green chilies is known for lowering body temperature. This happens when this element stimulates the cooling center of the hypothalamus in the brain. Natural source of iron. The introduction of chilies into your diet will help in the supply of sufficient iron to the body. Improved immune system. This hot spicy pepper also plays a great role in improving the immune system and combating the common cold. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.